Okay, this is getting me hype. This is getting me hype. I need to calm down. Hold on a second. What's good with it, folks? It's your kinfolk Dookie back again with Bang Budgeting New Gear reviews to help you get the best bang for your tech dollars. This is gonna be quick, all off the dome. I had no intentions on doing this. I turned down a lot of emails. This is not a humble brag or anything. Honestly, there's one particular type of tech that I stay away from because I really don't use it that much at all, and that is true wireless earbuds. I love my wired headphones, like my new monoprice retros, something like the Audio-Technica M40Xs. I just don't use truly wireless earbuds. I just don't use them, plain and simple. Now, a company reached out to me. I was feeling generous that day. I said, sure, why not go ahead and send them over. We have the Earfun truly wireless earbuds. Truly wireless connection, superior sound, wireless charge, up to 6 hours of playback, 30+ hours with the battery case, IPX7 waterproof, voice assistant, ergonomic fit. Now, a lot of those specs compete with the top-notch earbuds, but these cost under 50 bucks. You know, I'll leave links down below where you can check it out. Currently, they're in Indiegogo. Once you open the box, you get the earbuds and you get the case. You also get a USB-C charger cable because they are USB-C, which is a plus. This case also is wireless charging. I don't have a wireless charging phone, so I don't have any wireless charging docks, so I can't test that for you. Right here, this says nothing to me because it looks like all the other true wireless headphone cases. You get a little bit of branding here on the front. You get your USB-C charger port here on the back. Now, I'll be honest. I've already opened these up and used them. I took them out with me. And like I said, listening to music, I can't hype them up enough. I really can't. But before we get to that, phone call quality. Shout out to the good homie Antoine of Just Doing Life. I actually used these to call him. He said they sounded trash. The mic sounded too far away. He sounded good on my side, but he said that I didn't sound the best using them. Also, you hear both ears when you're using the phone. Pairing was simple. Take them out of the case. Right now, nothing's connected to my phone. Let's take them out. They're already connected, literally 2-3 seconds. They're already connected. Let's go ahead and put them on. They fit in really comfortable, and honestly, if you get them in pretty deep, pretty substantial amount of noise canceling. Let's do the head check test. They're not going nowhere. I don't know why you would shake your head like that, but these feel snug. I don't think I've ever had a pair of truly wireless earbuds feel as snugly. Is that a thing?
Yeah, I don't think snugly is a thing.
Snugly is not a thing?
I don't know, it didn't sound right when you said it. It's probably a thing.
Let's just make snuggly a thing. Snuggly is now the new DVZN media thing. Like I said, I've already tested these. That's the main reason I wanted to bring y'all this video, because they sound so damn good. Let me pull up a song. How about some Rage Against the Machine? Now, don't expect me to sing along because I do not know this song by heart, but we're gonna test it out and just see exactly what it sounds like. Woo! The clarity is amazing. Ooh, that bass though. That bass line. The separation is pretty good. You could definitely tell the panning of instruments. Okay, this is getting me hype. This is getting me hype. I need to calm down. Hold on a second. Okay. Yeah, man. Yo, these sound... Like, they promise a lot of audio quality, and for under 50 bucks, for them to be able to deliver like this is pretty mind-blowing. Like I said, I've heard different truly wireless headphones. These could easily go for 100 or better just off the sound alone. Then you add in all the extra features that they got. Fam, hold on, let me try something else. Let's go to my K-pop playlist. How do we feel about that? Whew. It's so much power. It comes right in, like, whoo. I'm listening to Blackpink, just so y'all, if y'all think I'm playing. The sound feels like I'm listening to big over-ear headphones to get the type of sound that they get out of these. Let's turn it up. We going to the hook. Let's kill this love. Yo, real talk. Earfun free headphones. I'm gonna leave the link down below. They sound amazing. I can't say it no more. The bass hits. There's serious bass, like it's not an overpowered thumping bass, but it's a real bass. You get different levels. You get sub bass, you know, the low thump. You get that mid bass that just fills everything out and feels nice. Your mids are real nice. Vocals are present. You're gonna understand everything being said, even if it's in a different language. You're gonna automatically know what they're saying. If you're looking for a pair of truly wireless earbuds that have a great fit and sound amazing, and you're on a budget, you're not trying to spend as much as some of these other truly wireless options have, you might want to check these out. All right, I don't know what else to tell you. It's your kinfolk Dookie. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Tell your friends to tell their friends, their mamas, their aunties, uncles, everybody to holla at your boy. That's the only part I know. Let's kill this love.